What's going on, guys? Zeno here, and today I'm going to be showing off my 3D printed Beyblade with the system I've created myself with a little help from my friends in the model Beyblade Discord. Its name is Nuova Drahken. It is a dual spin Beyblade. Its parts are zero, vortex, and power. I am gonna create my own frame and driver soon, so stay tuned for that. But today I'm gonna be doing some battles with some of my other bays. So yeah, so let's get into that. Okay, first battle is going to be Xeno Excalibur. First to 3 points wins. Draken's going around. In right spin, it does more heavier damage, and left spin, it does a little bit more softer. Got the first hit. Spin out, point to Draken. Round 2. And got stuck on the launcher. Usually when does that. Okay. Gotta get it off. Okay. Usually when it does that, that means it's kind of stuck, but at the same time it's not. So I'm going to launch Draken first. So 3, 2, 1. And Excalius gave us a nice hit. So, and the winner is Nuova Drahken. So in right spin, it does heavier attacks. In left spin, it does a little bit more softer. So on to the next round, which is going to be Blast Genius or Genesis, a defense type. So let's see how well it does. Round 1. Dragon going around. Genius takes the center. The very nice hits and burst finish. No clicks on Draken. So round 2. And after all the bays have gone, I will switch to left spin. So round 2. The core will have its own design in a little bit. I was just using these ones for like a test, but after this, I will also make a core from the middle that will change for each direction. So it was Draken 4 to 0. Sorry for the sniffling when my nose is kind of running because it's kind of cold. I know, ill. So that was Blast Genius. On to the next round, which will be Beat. No, wait. It's not cold. No, Calzar. Whoops. It will be Calzar. So with the rubber, I will launch Draken first. And that was a burst finish. That is 2 to 0. But I don't know. But in all honesty, I don't know if Draken went out first or did Calzar burst first. Okay, round 2. It's going around the green. Ooh. Okay, we might actually have a fight here. Okay. There we go. So that was Calzar. That's 1-0. I mean 1-2. Third round. And that was a burst. Ooh, actually got 1 click. But Calzar lost. So that's 4-2. Calzar actually did pretty good. On to the next round. We have Nemesis Diablos, or Diabolos, and oh wait, I said Nemesis Diablo. I meant Venom Diabolos. That was a knockout for Drahken. That was a burst, almost a burst. Round 2. And there's the 3rd point. Drahken 1 set. I will switch Diabolos to erase Diabolos when it goes left spin. Alright. Gotta move the base, I already did. So all these 4 goes over here. Next up we have Grand Dragon. Stamina tied out, what is a little bit harder to burst, but I'm pretty sure that dragon can burst it. So let's see. And knock this out. Okay, let's try that again. Dragon's in. Let's see if I can. Ooh, burst finish. Dragon wins. So let's see if I can move this so I can get the whole stadium, or at least lift it. So let's see. Sorry for the movement. This tripod is kind of wonky a little bit. Still trying to figure out the right setting for it, or the right height. So I am sorry for moving it. Let's see. I'll lean that down. I'll move this. And perfect. That's actually a lot better. Alright. Now let's just hope it doesn't fall. So that was 2 points to Drahken. On to round 2, I think. On to round 2. And KO'd itself again. Try that again. Dragon's taking the green. Very nice hit. And that was a burst. Winner is Nuova Drahken. Next up, Vice Leopard. Vice Leopard had his abuse. Can't really say abuse, but probably not, but it had its time, but it might actually win this. Might. So round 1. Ooh, a nice hit, but fell out. So that's a point to Vice Leopard. Draken was on him. Round 2. That was a revenge burst. by Drahken. Came and got some revenge. Round 3 is 2-2-1. And it fell. But point goes to Drahken. Okay. There we go. Okay. Point goes to Drahken. Okay, so I only have a few left. And we'll see how much he can go, how long he can go. For now, he hasn't got any loss except for Kalzar, and he hasn't lost any points except Kalzar and Vice Leopard with the knockouts. Okay. Had to sit differently because my legs started falling asleep. But okay. So we got, since power is on Drahken, I'd put reboot on Valkyrie. So slash Valkyrie with reboot. So next round, go shoot. Reboot kicked in. Drahken is being completely calm. Oh yeah, also I am working on a satellite arena. I'm gonna call it, well, of course I'm gonna call it the Satellite because I'm using the name from Yu-Gi-Oh! 5D. Because it sounds really cool and I like it, so the dish is going to be called the Satellite. And I'm going to do a video on that as well after I get it all painted and stuff. So that was Drahken, I think. It probably was Valkyrie, but I'll just say it's a tie for now because I wasn't paying attention. So next round. Drahken is going in for the hits. Going back. Ooh! Burst finish. Drahken 2 points. Next, third round. Drahken's getting some hits in. So is Valkyrie. Reboot has kicked in. And Drahken has lost that. It is 1-2. Fourth round, starting now. Drahken's going around. Ooh. Drahken 4-1. Drahken takes that. For something I created, is actually doing really, really good. Alright. Next up, we're getting down to the more difficult opponents, but I'm gonna call this Silver X because I don't Mentor or something like that, but I'm gonna call it Silver X. So Silver X. Drahken KO this though, but I'm gonna count that stat. But I mean, I'm gonna count it. So since Drahken went out, I'm gonna count that. So Silver X, 1 point. Round 2. Draken's coming for it. I love how the colors look when it spins too. Wait, what? Round 2 to Silver X. That's 2-0. Wow, that's crazy. Round 3. Silver X better, Draken better come and finish this and win this, or else Silver X will actually be the one to take this. Draken's coming in for the kill, or will he just fall? Going down the stamina, and it's a burst finish, so it's 2-2. It's a tie. Who will win the final round? Will it be Silver X or will it be Draken? Draken comes, and Draken comes in with that burst kill. Silver X actually got really far. Okay, next up we have more of the harder opponents. We have Sprite and Requiem. I said zeros on there. I put 6 and defend because Zeta broke. So let's see how well the performance does. Draken's going around is first finish. Draken. I will switch Spryzen and my Spurgen over to left when Draken also go into left spin. So round 2. Draken's going around. Gets a hit. And another burst. That's 2-0. Draken wins. 4-0. My bad. Alright. Next up, we have Chozy Achilles. Now, these are the more harder opponents that I was actually kind of afraid of because they hit harder than the rest. So I don't know if it's going to be a burst or if it's going to be a knockout. I don't know. But my atomic is, the dimension is getting stuck. Okay, there. Okay, round 1. And knocked yourself out. Okay, come here. Okay. Okay. Round 1. Around and back out again. So instead of Keels going first, I'm going to launch the Draken first. So, 1. Hit, ooh, really hard hit. First finish after, but Achilles takes that with a spin out finish. So that's 1 point to Achilles. Round 2. Achilles gave some hard hits, but knocked it out. 2 points to Achilles. And the wind's trying to blow my arena away. Okay, there we go. Final round. Will Draken lose this or will Achilles fall? Really hard hits. And Draken takes that with a burst. with only one click too. So Achilles, so it's 2-2, is a tie. Who will win? Draken coming in for the kill, but oh, couldn't finish it. Achilles wins 3-2. Draken has been defeated by the warrior Achilles. Ah, man. But that was a really, really cool battle. Okay, finally we have Royal King Spriggan and right spin. Now, like Achilles, this will also hit very, very hard. So I don't know if it's gonna be Spriggan or will be Draken who wins. But let's see and hope that Draken is the winner. Some really hard hits. Will Draken win this? I say not. First point, Royal King Spriggan. On to round 2. And my the string got stuck on my camera. Yay. And I will be right back after I get all this set up. I am back. Sorry for that. Okay, back to round 2. Draken going in. Really hard hits from both Spriggan and Draken. Ooh, it looked like a tie, but I couldn't tell. So I'll just say it's a tie. Third round. No one's holding back. Ooh, first finish! That was awesome. But sadly, Royal King Spriggan owning up to his name, wins that battle. And Draken has been struck down with an axe. That was so cool, though. So, overall, until the Chosetsu base, Draken has done very, very well. So now I will switch it to left spin, and we'll see how well it goes with that. So I will be right back with all the left spin Beyblades, and I will start the battles. Okay, I am back. As you can see, Draken has a blue core now, so is in left spin. So now the battles will start again, but this time with only left spin Beyblades. Okay, I am back, and this can't take long because I'm already like 23 minutes in. So I got my left spin bays here. I might use Nightmare Long in this, but thing is, it's kind of hard to keep on a launcher, so I might not. So with this, I will use a Ripcord Hasbro launcher because my string launcher left gear broke. So first round will be against Spriggan. Not Josie. Spriggan Requiem. So first round. Knocked yourself out. Okay, there we go. I kind of cheated there, but I just trying to get the battle started. Okay, first round. Spriggan and Requiem. Round 2. If I could get it on. Okay. Only 2 rounds per base. Dragon's getting some nice hits. Okay, it's a tie, so I guess 3 rounds. he was close to bursting, but so was Drahken. Unless that was just one click. Yeah, that was one click. Okay. So, final round. Dragon. Ooh, and Dragon lost that with a KO. Okay, next up, Erase Diabolos. I don't know if it will stay on the launcher, because if not, then it won't be Erase Diabolos. Okay, so it won't be Erase Diabolos. Then next up, Drain Fafnir. Drain Fafnir is an OP bait as it is, so I have no idea if it's going to work or not. Draken's going for the kill. Drain Fafnir also takes some hits. And that is Draken. So I'll just do 1 point because I'm at 26 I'm at 26 already. 26 minutes in. So Draken wins. I'm going to just start speed rounding these. Next up, Hell Salamander. And the attack tip. Draken. Dragon's going after, and okay, I feel like I kind of gypped Hell Salamander, so I'll give it another round. Okay, Dragon. Hell Salamander. Very nice hits. So I'm gonna give them both a win. Final round, if it stays on the launcher. Royal King Spriggan. Okay, he still cheated there, but they're closing in for the attack. Point to Draken. Next round. Final round. Ooh, come on, Draken. Kill it. Come on. Oh, and couldn't hold up. Winner is Uzi Spriggan, the Royal King himself. Oh well. Well, anyway, Draken does very well. The design looks cool. Well, I'm actually just anyway, the design looks cool. Everything else looks amazing as well. I am very proud of the system I came up with. I still haven't came up with a name for it yet, but I will soon. But I will have more upgrades to it if I can find the right spin core. I will have more upgrades. I will add more designs, and like I said, I will make a frame and driver for it. But overall, all the battles was really cool, and I loved it so much. Draken is going to be a big part of my channel, and my partner Beyblade. So I will set this here and sign out. My name is Zeno, and this is going to be the end. Have a good I wish y'all all a good day and a very fun Beyblade battle. And how about you guys can give me some tips on like combos for it? But this is Zeno signing out. Coming out my outro, but more to come to the channel. This is a big part. And this is Zeno signing out, and have a bay-tastic day.